Let's see how Google Translate for Animals works. I activate the Translate app. As you can see, there's a large range of animals to choose from. I choose pig. Then I make a recording. See here, it transcribes it, but if I push the speaker button, we can actually hear what Bella said.
New person. Smells good. Love you.
However, when it comes to email, we still rely on outdated technologies like the keyboard and mouse. At Google, we've been thinking about how to solve this problem, and today I'm excited to share a new development with you. We call it Gmail Motion. Using your computer's camera and a spatial tracking algorithm, Gmail Motion interprets physical movement and turns it into actionable commands. For example, to open a message, make a motion as if you were opening an envelope. To reply, simply point backward with your thumb. To reply all, use both hands. To send a message, lick a stamp and place it down.
I've been an autocompleter for Google Search for a couple of years now, but I've actually been at Google since 2006. So whenever you misspelled a word when using Google Search and it said, "Did you mean?" and then it gave you the right spelling, that was me typing it out. So on a good day, I average about 34,000 words per minute. And I go through a new keyboard about every 8 days. But we're Google, right? You know, so whatever it takes to get results to our users faster, we're going to do it.
We realized that at any one time while browsing, you're only using 50% of your hands. Why? Because you only have one mouse. Chrome Multitask Mode changes that by giving you access to not one, but 2 mice at the same time. To protect you from clicking on any link twice and accidentally double charging your credit card, Chrome will automatically shut down your computer if your mouse arrows get too close.
So Gmail Tap replaces the default keyboard in the Gmail application with one that only has 2 buttons.
2 keys, and every single letter in the alphabet can be spelled using just those 2 commands.
Morse code is perfect. It's just a dot and a dash. What's simpler than that?
When we first conceived of Gmail Tap, it was all about making input on the phone faster. We realized that we could double the speed again by doubling the number of keyboards you have.
You can actually split your screen and send 2 messages at once to 2 completely different recipients.
And I'm here to introduce Google Maps 8-bit version as a first product for NES. Insert the cartridge, connect the cable, then turn the power on. Blow on the cartridge to fix bugs, and you're automatically connected to the internet. Let's start from the title screen. Select Search and enter a name or place, just like the regular Google Maps.
Google Fiber. We have seen an even bigger problem when it comes to our bodies, as we still rely on outdated sources of fiber and nutrients to give us energy, help our intestinal and colon efficiency, and sustain us throughout our busy lives.
Prior to Google Fiber, I never felt like I came close to my full athletic potential. I was sluggish and tired. Now, I'm racing, winning, and feeling great. This is not just fiber, it's Google Fiber.
Google knows.
What does a ghost smell like?
Google knows.
What does the inside of an Egyptian tomb smell like?
Google knows.
Google knows.
Google knows.
How do we completely redesign and recreate something while keeping it exactly the same? The answer is Gmail Blue.
You click on Compose, the button Compose, blue. The word Compose itself, blue.
Boldface is blue, underline is blue. Italics is blue as well.
You write in the body of the email, the font comes up blue. You don't have to make it blue, it is blue. It just is blue.
The little lines, they're in blue. When you go into help, it's blue.
It's Gmail, only bluer.
Today, we're announcing a new job role and challenge. Pokemon Master.
It's always been important to us to have the most qualified employees at Google. Now, using the technology created by the Google Maps team, we've prepared the most rigorous test known to man to find the world's best Pokemon Master.
Applicants must explore all types of terrain with Google Maps on their iPhone or Android to find each and every one of the wild Pokemon.
Introducing a new way to experience the mail you love. The good old-fashioned kind that you touch with your hands and smell with your nose. A mailbox that learns from your habits, that's never too hot or too cold, like smart folders that keep things organized, strong filters to weed out spam, and apps that do more.
Introducing Google Actual Cloud Platform.
This is the world's first cloud offering running on servers in the troposphere, inside actual clouds.
It's faster, it's more scalable, it's more secure. And most importantly, it looks like a real cloud.
I sleep more soundly knowing that my data is 30,000 feet above the ground.
I just love that I can see it.
This is the first step in an exciting journey. People say the sky's the limit, but we think bigger.
The clouds are so pretty.
That's not just a cloud, honey. That's Google Actual Cloud Platform.
Okay.
And so this is the first headset for actual reality.
Perfectly.
I think we're done.
We decided to add 2 additional features. First, you can request the bike to pick you up wherever you are, and we developed a comfort mode, adjusting the pedals to a perfect rest.
People could also work on their bicycle. You work in your office, you work in your home, you work in your car. You could even work on your bike.
Proud to announce the launch of Parachutes by Google Express.
Quiet, reliable, gentle. They're the perfect marriage of form and function. This parachute technology is going to change the way we think about parachute technology.
People only know what they see in TV and movies, but it's not all shouting Geronimo and barrel rolls.
Google Express has always been about delivering people the things they need from the stores they love.
With Parachutes by Google Express, our users are constantly connected. From placing an order to tracking delivery to the moment they catch the package out of the sky.
Delivering you the things you need when you need them. And forget the obstacles of ground delivery. With Parachutes, you can receive deliveries anytime, anywhere.
Meet Google Gnome.
Okay, Gnome, can I eat this lemon tree leaf?
Yes.
What about this daisy?
Yes, but I wouldn't recommend it.
Okay, but I could eat it.
Okay, Gnome, add milk to my shopping list.
I'm sorry. That sounds like an indoor request.
I keep doing that, sorry.
You do keep doing that.
Okay, Gnome, is this compost?
Really, we're all compost if you think about it. Pretty much everything is made up of organic matter and will return to organic matter.
Off, on, off, on, on. Ah.
Okay, Gnome, which way is the wind blowing?
The wind is blowing 3 miles an hour from the southwest. Now the wind is blowing 2 miles an hour from the south, from the southwest, south, southeast. That tickles. The wind is.
Introducing Google Gnome. The smart yard is finally here.
Machine learning enables all the mills to collaborate. Of course, we need some rain now and then. With Google Wind, we can also decide when and where it rains.
I'm proud to announce that from April 1st, we're able to guarantee clear skies for everyone.
Introducing Google Play for Pets. Just go into Google Play Store, select the Pets category, and browse through thousands of games, apps, and training tools. Training your new puppy has never been easier. Also available in German.
Guter Junge.
Google Play for Pets. Games for dogs available exclusively in black and white.
After months of hard work, we developed the first fully decentralized deep humor network, or what we call the bad joke detector. The humor is parsed by our distributed neural language processor to determine the quality of the joke and weed out the weak ones. The feature is currently available in English, Spanish, Portuguese, Hindi, and Manipuri.
It landed safely. I guess it's in airplane mode, huh?
The more we listen to nature, the more we discover the amazing things it has to say.
Okay, Google, talk to my tulip. What do you want?
Water, please.
Finished. Nothing left.
More.
Yep.
You promised more water.
We like to know what tulips need, and what better way than to ask.
I need water, more light.
Please improve humidity.
Please come here, more space.
No more compost.
Thank you.
Why are there so many lights? More light.
Hello?
No.
Cactus.
Leave me alone.
Tulip is a breakthrough in human-plant communication, letting users around the world communicate with any tulip.
Okay, Google. Play my favorite music. Yeah. That's right. Yeah. Drop that beat.
Now you might not want to. After months of hard.
There are a lot of ways to keep your phone clean. Wiping, more wiping, cases. Cases for cases. You can even get specialized hardware. But what if there was a way for your phone to keep itself clean from the inside out? Introducing a new feature in the Files app, Screen Cleaner. Screen Cleaner uses the Smudge Detector API to identify imperfections. Using our geometric dirt models and haptic micro-movement generator, Screen Cleaner dislodges dirt, smudges, and more.